Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the government as well as the private job notifications, so please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And whatever the videos you are getting from my channel, so please share, like and comment the videos. And in this one, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university. And here the few positions are the consolidated based positions and few are the pay scale based positions. Okay, that you may check on this screen, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. So if I got the recruitment notifications which are matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And watch this one until the end to get the complete details regarding this assistant professor vacancies notification from the state university. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University from Nanded, Maharashtra. So in this one we got the assistant professor vacancies notification on fixed pay or the consolidated pay for university main campus. Okay, as well as a few more, a degree college as well as a few more colleges also given here. So we'll check down the details very clearly in this table. And coming to the subjects, life science, pharmacy, chemical science, physical science, mathematical science, educational sciences, social science, fine and performing arts, and the social science subcenter, and the management science, and Parbani subcenter, and the new model degree college. So here the vacancies are regarding the commerce, applied biotechnology, economics, and management. And in the Uttam Rao Rathod Tribal Development Research Center. So in this one, the computer and the social work vacancies are there. And here you may check down. The number of vacancies are mentioned as per the caste category, as well as the consolidated pay also mentioned here. And in the particular school or the department, whatever the specializations required also mentioned in this table. And while coming to the payments are different for the different subjects, guys, that you may check down. And while coming to the Uttam Rao Rathod Tribal Development in the computer, so here the salary of the scale post is mentioned here, that you may check down. So the pay band of 15,600 to 39,100 with academic grade pay, that is 6,000 also available, and this pay of per month you will get from the university funding itself. And while coming to the tribal development and the research center Nanded, so here the two positions are there under the social work, and the women's studies center, two positions are there. The specialization required is PG diploma course in women's studies and the interdisciplinary certificate course in the women's studies. And the vacancies in the research center and study center are subject to change, and the tenure of post academic year 2021 to 22. So these are the norms, guys. And while coming to the educational qualification for the assistant professor in the departments of arts, commerce, humanities, education, social sciences, languages, and physical education, and journalism and mass communication. As a master's degree with 55% of marks in the particular discipline. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And if any candidate finishes a PhD degree as per the regulations 2009 or 16, then those candidates are exempted from this national eligibility test or the state eligibility test. Right? And anyhow, there is a relaxation of 5% in the post graduation, depends upon the caste category, that you may check down, guys. And coming to the disciplines of the management, so the first class master's degree in the business management or the administration in a relevant management related discipline, or the first class in 2 years full-time PG diploma courses, or else the first class graduate and professionally qualified the chartered accounts, cost and work accounts, company secretary of the concerned statutory bodies. Fine. Few more desirable qualifications are also mentioned here, so that you may check down. Coming to the disciplines of the computer science, here the BTech as well as the MTech in the relevant department or the subject is required, or else the MCA with first class or the equivalent either with 2 years of relevant experience candidates also can apply for this post. And coming to the disciplines of the fine and the performing arts, the qualification is almost similar to the above mentioned one, that is master's degree with 50% of marks, and along with that one the candidate must have the UGC NET or the SLET or SET qualification must be there. And coming to the disciplines of the pharmacy, basic degree in the pharmacy as well as registration as a pharmacist, and first class master's degree in the appropriate branch, and a few desirable qualifications also mentioned here that you may check down, guys. So coming to the few important instructions are given here. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the complete and accurate details, you please once visit the official website of this university, or else this PDF, then you will get the complete details. Fine. The last date for submitting the applications in the prescribed form duly completed in 2 copies on dated is the 20th December 2021 at evening 5:40, and the actual date of entry will be informed to the qualified candidates only and published on the university website itself. Okay, and the university website is also provided here. And so these are the complete details, guys. And coming to the application form is also attached to this PDF. So take the printout of this one and fill up the details and whatever the things they mentioned to enclose here. So enclose all the certificates, okay, as well as the paperwork, all these things. And then whatever the postal address they are mentioned, so you just please post to them, guys. Okay, so these are all the complete details. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And whoever the candidates preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, well, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral